Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. Let's go ahead and get into it. We did ship mystery. If you guys missed that video, I did post the reveal of the September mystery a couple days ago. We do have 3 kits this week and I am so excited for all of them along with a monthly kit. First things first, we'll go ahead and some foil items for sure. Foil items. We do have a wiggle this week. This week is the black matte paper with the hollow. This one's super pretty. I feel like the hollow really pops against the black and you can see that full rainbow effect on there. And this is the normal solid paper wiggle. So this has the 15mm strips, the circle icons, the flags and the bows, the bow headers, as well as the date covers. Such a beautiful combo. I love this. So this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. You can buy all 5 for $10 and then you can buy them individually for a slightly higher price. But this will be available Wednesday and then until it sells out, or until Thursday at around 11 Eastern. Friday around 11 Eastern. Yeah. So it goes down right before a new release, about an hour before. So there's that. Also this week I wanted to show you guys that we are going to be doing the advent calendar on Sunday, which I'm super excited about. So this year's advent is a little bit different than last year. So it's an all Scribble Prints Co. advent. I'm not going to show you guys the front card because it has a little bit of sneaks, but if you wanted to pause it and read it, go ahead. But this advent is a 12-day advent, super thick. It comes in this cute little mailer. It'll be in a mailer, and then we close it. We have like a really cute little seal that goes on it that you might have saw on Instagram. This goes inside of a cello, and then it's super sturdy with it being so thick, and this will go inside of a thicker bubble mailer. So that is how it'll be packaged, and then each day has its own envelope with a really pretty, like, it's all like themed, like the bubble mailer is gold, all the stickers on it are gold, and then the envelope is gold. It's all like a champagne gold. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, oopsies, 12, and then there is an extra day that we don't include in the like the count of how many items there are, and it is still more foil items, and there's like a bit of foil items here. So this is just our freebie to you guys as like a thank you for purchasing the advent. And then the 12 are the 12 days advent. Last year we did a 25-day advent, but this year we did a 12. They're all SPC items. They're all SPC foil items. The price of this is $79.95. No coupons are allowed on things like this, and this is a single item order because it'll be all bundled up and ready to ship. It will have the journaling card on the front with all of the instructions and stuff like that on there. And like I said, there's 71 pieces of foil in here, so it's a great value. There's different kind of like specialty foiled wiggles in here. There's different things that you haven't seen in the shop yet in foils. There's things that you have seen in the shop in different foils. Everything is like 100% usable. There's some mixed metal items in here. It's just really, really like fun to put together. All usable. I feel like you could definitely get 2 of these and you'd be able to use like all of the items in here like many times. If you're a foil lover, you're gonna need more than one for sure. But it will be available Sunday at noon Eastern. I did prep a lot of them. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But I am just super, super excited about this year's advent. I feel like I really did a pretty good job of spoiling, and I'm just so excited. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. So that'll be available. It is a ready to ship item, but like all items in our shop that are ready to ship, there is still that 1 to 2 week processing time, just as we do need to get out orders from previous dates prior, and then, you know, do all the labels, put them all on, drop them off. It's a thing. So let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. Oh, actually, there's a couple more things. Just kidding. So last week I did throw these up as well, and these are the new weekend banners in the 4 different foils. I realized I never even had the hollow ones up, so I went ahead and put these up, and these do fit on top of the weekend banners in the older kits, but a lot of people do prefer this script, so you could definitely still use these on their own as well when we move into the new weekend banner. So those are available in the shop actually right now. And then last but not least, something super exciting, another like kind of spoiling thing that I'm super excited about doing is I did do a collab with Marg of Once More with Love for our kind of like holiday freebies, and these are like, you'll get one of these freebies in your order until they run out. So since we're kind of starting sort of holiday-ish kits this week, I wanted to start them this week for you guys. And usually our our freebies are kind of like smaller or on clear paper, and these are like super luxe freebies. So they're bigger, they're on the matte paper, which is more expensive. So there are different foil options, so you'll get one at random, and there's no way to like request a foil color, but obviously the more you order, the more foils you probably get. So this one is a sparkly red, so you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bow headers, and then you have the 6 munchkins on the side, and then the same in a sparkly hollow. It's like kind of like a confetti dot hollow, and then there's a sparkly gold, a sparkly blue, this one's really pretty, and then also a sparkly green. So these will all go you know, in orders randomly. You'll get one in every order starting with this release here, not with the wiggle, with these here. So really excited about those, and we do have quite a bit of them, so they're not just gonna be this weekend only. It'll be like for a couple weeks at least. So let's go ahead and get into the releases. Like I've been saying, we'll go over the foil items first. So I do have some kind of smaller sheets here this week. So the first one that we have are these twinkle dots, I think we're calling them. So they're just another little small deco piece, and they have more than three, way more than 3 little like twinkly dots cut out, and you can use these as little deco pieces or as accents to icons. Then there are these, which are just our little line bow, really tiny. Excuse my cuticles. I was gonna paint my nails, but I was just like, nah, maybe later. Then we also have these kind of like emoji heads, which are super cute in foil. So cute. And then last but not least, we do have our like inverted bow little deco pieces. So just some different deco pieces this week. Super cute. We do have one monthly kit this week, so I'll show you guys that first. And this one is called Ice Queen, I believe I called it that. And this is just kind of like a really pretty bloomsicle art that I thought would be perfect as a monthly. So this is the first page, the second page, and then you have the third page with the box. Super cute. I like that one. So that is the monthly for this week. I know I need to do a fall monthly, so I'm just still waiting on like the perfect art. Hopefully I find something that I love super soon. If not, I'll probably do like pumpkin patch or something. And then there's an option if you want a deco sidebar, and there's also an option if you want a functional sidebar. Okay, let's go into the kits. Let me show you guys this one first. So this one is called Bad Romance. I did a little recolor on this and recolored some items from a kit called Love Letter. I think that came out last year, so I'm really excited about this. Okay. So this is the ultimate kit. It does come in an ultimate and mini, which I will show you guys both of those. We are doing unlimited stock for 24 hours. Production is getting super tight, so I'm glad that we're back down to that 24 hours rather than the whole weekend. But this is the full boxes. I love this girl. I recolored this and they look super cute. I love the horse and like all the dark colors. I think that you could totally use this for Halloween, but I think that would be also super cute for Valentine's Day. Like really romantic feels. I love the colors. You have the faux gold throughout, which I love. Functional. You have your extra box over here, which is super cute, along with your boxes, icons, little things, headers. It's stuck. I love the new logo. I'm dying over it. And then you have the deco page here, super cute. You have the new weekend banner, which I love. And then you have the bottom washi, which is super pretty. I'll go ahead and show you guys while the bottom washi is out, the a la carte. Oh, and then you have the little munchkin heads, which are super cute. Then you have the 15mm strip. If you want to add that on, it is like a black color. Then you have the glitter headers, which have a really cool like faux gold flex throughout, which is nice. And then you also have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. Oh wait, and there's also an option if you want to add on girls. So there's lots of options here. I love this girl with her super light eyes. So pretty. So that is Bad Romance. And like I said, this also does come in a mini kit. Whew. Out of breath. All right. I don't know what's going on. I'll figure this out later. All right. Let me show you guys the mini kit real quick. Okay. The mini kit for Bad Romance, and then I'll show you this mini kit, and then I won't show you any of the other ones just to make it quick and easy. So this is the mini kit for Bad Romance. So you have the same freebie, the same full boxes. This is the mini kit exclusive page. You have the same functional page, the same deco page, and the same bottom washi page. In love, in love, in love, in love, in love. Guys, I just placed a really big foil order. So there is so much to be excited for in the shop. Like, y'all have no idea. All the things that are coming, all of the things I reformatted. Ooh, I am so excited. Oh, I ripped the cello on this one. I think that's actually maybe one of the first times I've ever ripped a cello. Oops. Well, I'll just put this back in here and find a new cello later. Okay, so that is Bad Romance. Again, there is an option for the Ultimate, the Mini, and then you have all of the add-on options as well. So that's that. Then we do have kind of two more like holiday kits. So this one also does come in a mini kit, but this one is called Holiday Spree. This art was so cute. I could not pass it up. I think it would look really pretty with rose gold, silver, and hollow foil. I'll go ahead and show you guys this. This would be perfect for holiday shopping, but I feel like it would also be really pretty just for like anytime shopping. The holiday bits are kind of like the sparkly, like Christmassy lights in here, but other than that, I feel like it's kind of like could be anytime. So you have your munchkins here, which are super cute, and then these are the full boxes, which I am just obsessed with. I don't even know where I'm going to fit this in, but it's so cute. I love the pastel colors. You have the half boxes page, the functional page, the extra full box here, which is really cute with the Amazon box. These Uggs are actually exclusive to us. The little things, the headers, and then you have the deco over here. I love everything. And then you have the bottom washi. While I'm on the bottom washi, I'll go ahead and show you guys the options for add-ons. You do have the 15mm strip. You do have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler or glitter headers, and then you have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. So that is everything for Holiday Spree. Like I said, this also does come in a mini kit as well. A really cute kickoff. I feel like this would be a great kit for maybe after Thanksgiving, if you do your shopping after that. I usually try to have my shopping done prior to Thanksgiving just because I like to relax during the holidays. And then last but not least, which also does come in a mini kit, is Deck the Halls, which is a super cute collection that, again, will be perfect for decorating for Christmas. I like to decorate for Christmas the week after Halloween usually. I know a lot of people like decorating on December 1st. But here's a kit that will work perfectly for that. And I love the colors. Very traditional Christmas colors. This is the Andre Munchkin freebie. This was made quite a bit ago, so it does have the old logo on it and all the old fixins. So this is the full boxes. I'm just obsessed with this. I love this girl in her like long pajama shirt. You have your ombre art checklist. You have your half boxes. You have your functional page. You have your full box here. Super cute. You have your little things, your headers, your deco page, and then your bottom washi. I love it so much. It is super dang cute. I love the like, is this like Fair Isle print? But I love this. Super cute. And then like I said, there is some add-ons. So you have the 15mm strip, you have the glitter headers, and then you have the label sampler. Again, super cute for whenever you decorate, or even might be even cute for when you undecorate. Like in January. That's when I undecorate. Like, I think actually this year I took down my tree in like March, but that's okay. So that is Deck the Halls. So that's everything for this week. Again, we have Deck the Halls. We also have Holiday Spree. Super cute. And then we have Bad Romance. Love the colors. We have Ice Queen. We have our 4 foil releases. We have this week's Wiggle. And then also don't forget that we have Advent on Sunday. I am so excited about this. And then also the freebies that will be going into orders starting Friday at noon Eastern until they run out. And I am super excited about those. So I hope you guys like this week's release video. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!